Are you serious? Bro, come on, I didn't do nothing.
State of Illinois,
There was nobody hit each other, man. Come on.
Yeah, I need you to call another officer because I don't know your relation with him, so I need you to call another officer.
Are there any issues that we can help with? Could we get a mental health team out here like Trilogy? Could that be useful for you?
Why would they come out here?
I'm just asking the
here
question.
for you, yeah. Because you're not listening.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know you feel like I'm not listening to you. Do you mind stepping outside so you can talk to him as well?
I don't want to talk to him.
You asked for him to come here, so we know.
So I kind of get just what happened.
He has the tracking device on my car.
So just
he follows me.
So just let you know my body camera's on. Okay? So what happened today?
I was dropping off clothes by the Salvation Army.
Okay.
He showed up. He said he wanted to talk. I started video recording him because I have to because he beats the crap out of me. He has a tracking device on my car. He follows me everywhere.
How do you know he has a tracking device on his car?
Because he knows where I'm at. I could be at the lake. I could be behind Walmart, and he finds me.
Okay, so
there is positively yesterday he told me you were on North Avenue for 2 hours. He followed me. He knows me. I mean, I was at the lake when he showed up. He's everywhere. Everywhere. He could tell me where. So I was recording.
But you don't know. But I mean, I understand. But you don't know if it's like a tracking device in your car or like he has
it's on my
phone.
Car. It's on my car. It's not on my phone. It's on my car. I'm positive.
Okay.
I'm more than that.
So then what happened?
This has been going on for months now.
Okay. So what happened after you got the Salvation Army?
He showed up there. He said he wanted to talk. I could see he was being violent. He already showed up other places. I said I don't want to talk. He tried to get my phone from me on my hands. He beat me up. So I got it out. He dragged me across the floor. He was hitting me. My back's all cut up. My elbows.
And I'm not doubting.
My hair.
Yeah, I'm not doubting. I just need specifics and stuff for the report. You know what I mean? Well, that's why I'm asking you this question. Let me see your back. Well, you don't gotta pull your shirt over.
Why?
So the blood is from getting dragged on the sidewalk? Okay. Anything on your head? You need medical attention? Okay. So how did it start? Did he like throw you onto the ground? Did he punch you? Did he scratch? Like how did it all start? The physical part?
He was trying to get the phone out of my hands. I was holding on. The guy's 6'3".
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, 100 pounds more than me.
Yeah.
So he's just whipping me around while I was holding on the phone.
Okay.
Then he was pushing me off. I mean, it should be on video. If he ever get my phone back. He's got all the evidence of everything he's ever done to me is on that phone.
Have you gotten have anybody talked to you about a restraining order?
I've done it. I've done that.
You've done that?
This has been going on for years.
Okay. So, is this currently still going on? Is there actually a restraining order? Is there anything like that?
Because if this person is going on, nobody's here.
Who is he?
My ex.
What's his name?
Jonathan Ross.
Where does he live?
4956 home.
How did
Driving his mom's car.
How did you end up here? You filed? How did you end up in Stoke?
Oh, well, we were just in Evanston.
Right.
And I was chasing him to try and get my phone back. He was trying to get away, and I was honking the horn, hoping the cop or somebody would hear us stop or stop one of us. And then I finally said, this is freaking ridiculous. I don't even think I have brakes left anymore. And then I just said, I'm going to go to a police station. Started driving towards the police station, and he started chasing me.
While you were in Stoke?
Everywhere. Here, there, everywhere.
So where did the fight originally start at?
Salvation Army. Oh, or originally started?
Yeah, so like you guys
Years
were
ago?
fighting over the phone.
No, today. So, Salvation Army?
Then he got violent. There he is.
What's going on, man?
I think I'd be wrong.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
No, boy, you can't arrest me for nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Alright. You're being detained right now.
What? I didn't even do nothing.
Okay, well, stop tensing up, alright?
77-1 detained.
Why am I being detained? I'm trying to give the woman her phone.
Where's your ID?
I don't have an ID on me. I'm walking.
What's your name?
Jonathan Ross.
What's your date of birth?
2890.
289?
There's your phone. I was coming to bring it to you.
77 name DOB.
I didn't do this. You did this, man. Stop lying on me already.
Jonathan
You're
Ross,
asking,
Common,
please stop lying.
2890.
Tell me this.
Male.
I think we got him in the house as well.
There's no tagger on your phone. On your card. There's nothing on the card. Why do you keep saying that? Please.
10-9?
Are you 7-4 there?
Yeah, we're good.
Weddings next weekend. Thanks. The wedding's this weekend. 2000. Just trying to get you to do it.
Let's put 'em in.
Yeah, my mom leaves. I'm not leaving.
Is this your phone?
This your phone? I didn't know it was in the car.
Hey, what are you talking about? You
I
lied.
didn't know it was in the car. I had my phone. I didn't beat the. Really? Really? You guys had at least proof, right? You taking me to jail?
I said right now, you're only being detained. You're not going
I know, but okay, put me in the car.
Okay. That doesn't mean you want
Every time she makes a claim, I always get in trouble. She never gets in trouble.
Alright.
This is
So
ridiculous.
I'm putting you in the car because I want to separate you from while I talk to you, okay?
I don't want to sit in the car. If I'm not being detained, I don't want to be in the
Okay,
car.
that's not understand. You are being detained.
You are detained.
So come over here.
I got messages in my phone. I can show
Alright.
you.
So because
Sorry,
now
I can
there
show
is...
you.
Okay, that's fine.
It-
That's fine. Listen. Give me 2 seconds, okay?
Yeah, but it don't work out that way.
Can-
Can I just talk to you, sir?
I know. I know. You're gonna talk. But chill out. Give me 2 seconds. Right now, you're just being detained, okay? So there is evidence that a physical struggle occurred, right? Oh,
How?
I'm gonna explain to you. There is evidence that a physical struggle occurred. That's why you're being detained right now. I'm gonna read you your rights. It's your decision whether you want to talk to me or not. But you have the right to remain
That's not-
silent.
okay, but-
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an
She's
attorney.
crying.
If you cannot afford an attorney, you won't be appointed to.
Tell him that he
Right.
hits you, man.
Listen.
If you can listen, if you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you at no cost. Do you understand all these rights I'm telling you right now?
Clear suspended. Out
Alright.
of
It's not
scope
even
EVs
fair
and
because you're not
Okay.
even giving me a
Hold
right.
on.
You're just taking me.
Having-
You're arresting me for no reason.
Listen,
You're taking
listen.
It's
Listen.
not fair. It's not fair, sir.
Listen.
Yeah, he just did. He just said,
No.
you just read me my rights. You're
Just because I read you your rights doesn't
I'm not dumb, man. I ain't
Just
just.
ask you
I'm
questions.
asking, but
Can I speak to a superior officer, please?
listen. Give me 2 seconds. But because you are detained right now, I can't ask you any questions unless you know your rights. Okay? It doesn't mean you're going to jail. It just means that I have to ask you questions, right? But before asking you questions, you have to know your rights, right? So having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened today? Can you just put it back in the car? I don't want to. Yeah. Just go back in the car for now.
It was a miscommunication on my half.
Okay.
I thought she had something that was mine. I tried to grab it out of her hand. Clearly it wasn't. After everything was said and done, it was not. Then that was the end of it. She followed me around a little bit.
Who is she?
Was my girlfriend. We've been together for 8 years.
Okay.
Me going through this back and forth the whole
How did you guys end up together today?
I called her and she was at Goodwill.
In Emerson? Goodwill or
She was the one right here in Skokie.
So,
And then we left from there and then went to Evanston.
so you were in Skokie,
Yeah, we were in Skokie.
at the Goodwill.
Yeah, we had a conversation.
Okay. How did it end up in Evanston?
She went to Evanston Goodwill because that's where she goes to next. That's her next part of her route.
Okay.
So we ended up going there.
Were you guys together or you guys separate?
We had 7 vehicles at the time.
So you called her. She said she was in Goodwill in Skokie.
Yes.
You met her up in Skokie.
Yep.
What happened
We were
while
fine.
you were in Skokie?
We were fine, and then she left, and I went to go meet her there.
Okay.
Because I had to get gas for the car, and we met there, and then we got into an argument.
Okay.
I thought she had something that was mine. Clearly, it
What
wasn't
did you
mine.
think was yours?
My phone, but that was my phone she had. Because I couldn't find my phone. Remember how we were just in Skokie with each other? I couldn't find my phone after
So
that.
you guys, but here's the thing.
Yeah.
If both you guys went in separate cars,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And you never touched each other,
Right.
how would you think that she has your phone in that moment?
Because we were in Skokie, we were together. We were talking to each other at the Goodwill.
Right,
We
but
were
she
hanging
never.
out. We were hanging out at the Goodwill. We were doing the Goodwill thing. She was picking up this clothes.
But she never like reached in your pocket.
I never said that.
I know. So,
But we were together. We were in each other's cars.
But what would lead
Because
you
we
to
were in each
believe
other's
that
cars.
she had? Okay.
That's
All
fine.
right, so you guys were
Yeah,
sitting
yeah.
in each other's
Yeah,
cars.
we were picking up stuff or stuff that she picks up, her route, the clothes.
Okay.
And I had my phone out, and then I couldn't find my phone anymore.
Okay.
And then when we got to Riverside, I ended me up in Evanston. But before we left Skokie, I wasn't even looking for the phone. Okay, you know, because I was too busy doing the thing with her, going through clothes. I got in the car. We said, all right, we'll meet up in Evanston. I got in the car, started driving. I couldn't find my phone. So I'm like, okay, where's the phone? I thought she had the phone. So when we got to Evanston, I was like, hey, where's my phone? And then, yeah.
Okay,
That's
so
the argument.
you tried to grab the phone out of your
I
hand.
grabbed the phone.
What happened then?
That was it. So I grabbed the phone, and it wasn't my phone. I went to leave. It wasn't my phone. It was her phone.
Okay.
So I was
when
like,
you
shit,
grabbed
I
the
apologize.
Phone, when you grabbed the phone out of her hand, did anything else happen?
No.
So she never fell, you never fell, nothing like that? No? You sure?
She went in my car and tried to grab stuff. in my car.
But you know why I'm asking you this question, right?
Yeah, because it doesn't sound like it's that easy. We tried to reach in the car and grab stuff out of the car,
Well,
there wasn't nothing in there.
Well, if I already told you there was evidence of a physical struggle, and then you
Yeah, I
tell
know,
me
but
nothing else
we
happened
didn't
other
hit
than
it. But no one hit each other though. You're saying someone hit each other.
Okay, a physical struggle doesn't mean you're swinging.
Okay,
on
but
it,
that doesn't mean that's so damn why am I handcuffs
because there's blood on her back.
on her back? Why?
Consistent with what she said happened. But now you're telling me that you grabbed the phone out of her hand and nothing else happened.
I grabbed the phone out. She came back after and attacked me, and she tried to hit the car, and I pulled her away from the car. And when she pulled away from the car, she fell on the ground.
Okay, well when I ask you if
Then
you're
she attacked me.
sure,
She pulled my pants off. I probably got marks all on my shit.
Okay,
But
what do you
I don't
got?
want her to get in trouble.
okay,
I ain't got no marks. Come on, I'm a big dude. I ain't
okay, but you gotta understand.
I don't want to get her in trouble either. I know, but I don't want to get her in trouble. She's got kids.
If I'm asking you a question, it's kind of like,
I'm just trying to keep her out of trouble.
what,
She attacked
you have
me.
any sort of injury?
Look how big I am.
I know.
I'd have
I'm
injuries.
asking you because I gotta ask both parties, right?
Yeah, so there's something wrong because there's no markings on there, right? Although when I got stabbed, she stabbed me in the face last week. I got pictures on my phone in my eye. This means no marks. I work in cars all day. Pull my shirt up. Just pulled my pants down while we were there. I'm trying to get in the car. I was like, stop. Push away from me. That's it. There was like no striking each other, nothing like that. Try to hit each other. Just trying to reach your phone. I was like, no.
Okay.
That's all.
All right. You're under arrest for domestic battery.
On both parties? Really? Really? She attacked me. Come on now. That both parties go to jail, don't they? No. Are you serious? She attacked me. She attacked me. It's on camera. Go check it. Really? Are you kidding me? This is not even right. Dude, I didn't even do nothing. She's...
Can you go on here?
Are you serious? Bro, come on, I didn't do nothing.
State of Illinois.
There was nobody hit each other, man. Come on. Really? Sir, I didn't... Oh my God. I didn't do nothing. Holly!
Another police officer.
Yeah, I can talk to him.
The police. Yeah, you want to talk to him?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can I stay in my car? Can I stay in my car while you guys do the camera check? I was trying to make a right here, and he just out of nowhere, like right there.
So, hey, Lena, part of the problem is that
Yeah,
you're
he
suspended.
came out of nowhere.
You're suspended.
Do not
now. You
touch
can't
me,
drive, okay?
officer.
Put
Do
your
not
hands
touch
behind
me.
your back right now.
Our cameras are recording.
Okay, that's fine. Can I just go back in my car?
No, at this point you can't, okay?
Can I please just go back in
no,
my
no.
car?
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing all right? My body camera is on. Anybody injured?
Oh, good.
Nobody
Okay,
injured.
good.
Now you want
I was
to
trying to make a
injuries?
right. Stop. I didn't even see this guy. I was trying to make a right turn on this
Okay,
street.
hey,
This is not a turning lane. And he just appeared out of nowhere,
Okay.
like right there.
Before we go into the details, would you guys mind parking in the parking
Yeah,
lot
do you guys
here?
have any relations together? You guys
No.
know each other? Okay.
I've never
I
met
didn't
him.
call him because
Okay,
I called
I'll
him
get
because-
all
I don't know
the
who you
details.
called. I know.
Okay.
I didn't call anybody. 'Cause my
do me
phone
a
is dead,
favor.
right?
I called. That's what I know.
Can you get in your car and just park in the lot, please?
Okay, but you
And then I'll have you in the lot. I don't want you.
First
can
before I move, can you just see where my car is right now? before
Let
I move,
him
you gotta,
leave. He's not supposed to be
You see where
there.
my car is right now. Come let's see where my car is right now.
Okay,
I wanna show
right
you.
now,
The
I
car was-
understand where you're...
The car got hit
I want
this
to
way
set these
in.
fucking
We
cameras.
have cameras here, okay?
Yeah, my car got hit this way in.
Sir.
So you gotta see.
Do me a favor. Just get in
Park
your
in the
car
car,
and park in the lot. Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'll be right with you, okay? Road is clear. Alright.
Let me explain to you what happened.
Okay.
We both going this way. She is in that lane. Wait, hold on. You don't get a turn.
You know,
you have a turn. You have a turn.
Maybe I should talk to her, calm her down first.
All right, go ahead,
Okay.
then.
Would you
She's
mind?
wrong.
Could you find your license and insurance
get
for me,
everything.
and just
Yeah.
wait in the car?
Yeah,
okay?
she's wrong. I'm telling you.
I got you. We'll shake everything out. Don't worry.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I need you to call another officer because I don't know your relation with him, so I need you to call another officer.
My name is Officer Vanderwerf. I'm with the Evanston Police Department. Just so you know, my body camera's recording. I was called here because of someone calling the police department and saying there was a traffic accident. Yes, I'm not sure who called the police department.
That's fine. My phone's dead. That's why I didn't call.
No, you don't have any injuries right now?
No, this car's sold.
Okay.
I'm trying to get rid of this car, so I don't know what he's trying to get. He's not going to get anything. This is a bike lane.
Yes.
There is imprints from probably all the way from Michigan, all the way here, okay? And he's not supposed to be turning right. I was trying to make a right here, okay? So...
Yes. So you were behind his car.
No.
What? Tell me where you were.
There. Just check the camera.
Okay, I just like to ask you what happened.
He's not supposed to be making a turn on it. Look, this is a bike lane. Look, just look right. Look over there. So he would have ran this person over right now. Okay, if he was there.
So what I
He's not supposed to be
understand
there.
is that he was in the bike lane.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a bike lane. He would have ran all of these people over. Look, I want you to just kind of simplify.
I understand.
Because I don't. This is not going to work. Honestly. Can I get out of the car? I need to leave.
That's fine.
Thank
yeah.
you very
Do you
much.
have your driver's license and insurance?
Yeah, but this is a bike lane. You need to understand. I'm trying to simplify this matter because look at this. Who is this? Does he own this international market superstore?
I don't know.
That is a bike lane, and he would have caused an injury and bodily harm for a lot of people.
So I understand he was driving in the bike lane.
There's only one lane, sir. There's one lane going this way. This is going east, okay?
Okay.
I was trying to go right, and he was right there. I don't know if he cut in front of me or what. So he's not supposed to cut. No matter how narrow or how wide it seems, you're not supposed to.
So how did he get in front of you?
He cut through me, and then of course he's gonna get hit.
From like a private drive
From
or?
here.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Can I get your driver's license? Let's work on that next.
1403. In vehicle 25. Good morning.
Thank you.
My phone's dead. My insurance is on there.
Are you Lena? Lena? Am I saying it right? Okay. So the insurance
This car
is on your
sold
phone.
yesterday. Yes. So.
Okay.
He's not gonna get insurance. He's being weird. He doesn't know what he's talking about. This is a bike lane. He cut in front of me. He's violating all traffic laws and motorist laws and cyclists.
And what did he tell you? Because I know
He
you
doesn't
guys.
know what he's talking about. He says.
Well, I understand you guys had an exchange on scene with.
Exchange on scene.
Yeah, you talked to each other when the crash happened. What was he saying to you?
I don't even fucking know this person.
I'm not saying you know him. I'm asking what you said.
Who are you? I don't know who this person is. I don't even know who this person's car or anything.
Okay. Just a couple questions. Did you have anything to drink today? I'll ask him the same questions, okay? Have you had any drugs today? Any medications? Okay. Were you wearing your seatbelt when the crash happened?
Probably. I don't remember. He was right there. I was trying to make a right and he just impacted.
So you were ready to make a right.
And then I seen the impact.
Where was he when the crash happened? Like, in terms of your car?
Right here. He appeared out of nowhere, out of like a bat of hell.
Was he on the left?
On the right.
He was on your right.
So there was no way he could have been anywhere except for this parking lot trying to make a right. I'm thinking he could fit through and make another right.
Is there any way for you to find insurance on the car?
No, my phone's dead.
Okay.
Why would I have insurance? I don't even just look at him. He's ready to swim.
Well, I understand.
What the fuck is wrong
I'll
with
ask them the same thing as well.
Okay, can
You do
please
need
take my- I don't
insurance
have- it's in my-
to drive any car on the
It's in
roadway.
my phone.
Okay.
I'm being erratic right now because he's not seeing his fault. He's thinking he's gonna
Well,
try to get somewhere when he shouldn't have been in a bike lane in the first place. He should be.
Sure. And I'll talk with him about that, and I'll determine who's at fault.
There's only one lane.
Is there any reason why you're amped up or
Because I didn't see
emotional?
him. I don't know where he appeared out of.
Okay.
It's like me driving and then somebody just throwing themselves on top of this damn.
Was there something that was distracting you when you were driving?
Not at all. No. The camera, maybe. I didn't even see the camera there.
Okay. Well, stay in your vehicle right now while I figure this out. You can turn the air conditioning on, whatever you need to do. I'll take a look at the vehicle.
So we'll be back at 10, 11 hours.
I'll need to hold on to it. I just need to run everyone's information and complete an information exchange, okay?
We're down a box. And we're gonna keep it over. Go in. And just want to make sure she's
Let's see.
the caller does have 10, 11 hour, unit 423.
Okay.
This car was supposed to be sold yesterday. I want to see how he drives on a normal day. Because I've never seen this person.
Me too. Unfortunately,
Can you please try to see the rest of the day how he drives, and if he drives? Because if he doesn't drive, that would be alarming to me.
I'll see what I can do. Do you have a phone number?
My phone is dead. I mean, whatever.
Yeah, just. It'll take me a little bit to talk to him and figure out his side.
Try to
and
see
then
how
your
he
side.
drives. He probably does this all the time because I try not to violate any of these traffic laws. Okay.
Okay, I appreciate
For the record,
it.
and this car is going to be sold. So,
Thanks. Okay. Thank you for being patient.
Yes, yes. So can I explain to you what happened?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now, I am trying to turn on Dempster, right? So she's in the going straight lane. So in this lane here, I guess she wasn't paying attention, didn't see I'm next to her. If you see where my car is, if I show the picture I took, I'm in military lane. She said it's a bike lane. No, it's a bike lane when there's bike present. It's a turning lane by the broken line that you can turn. And that's
so
why
you were both in the same divided kind of section,
yeah,
but
she's
you were
there.
over the dotted.
I'm in the turning lane. I know I'm not driving, I'm not allowed.
Okay.
I can turn because there's a broken line there. The bike part is for the bike, of course, if there's bike going, but there's no bike going, so you should be able to turn. So I'm in the correct lane to turn. So I'm right there about to turn, and when the light turned green, all of a sudden, she just swings straight into me. I'm thinking like she's not paying attention.
Does she start to turn in front of you?
Yeah, she just turned and hit me, drift my car. I was like, you see my car move, right? Let me show the picture right now. I just took the picture. I gotta see them. I just put right in the light to see the picture. I took a picture. Oh, there you go. I took the picture to show where my car was present.
I saw where your car was parked.
Yeah, right. So I was about to turn. She hit me. So my car was straight like this to turn. She hit me, bam, me to the side. And that's why I turned an angle because I tried to turn my car. But the thing is, she don't know what she's doing. If you're going to be turning, you cannot be turning in the middle lane. You got to be in the side lane to turn. So literally...
Was her car ahead of your car when she turned? Like she was turning in front of you,
well,
or
you know what,
behind
honestly?
Can we take a look at the damage?
She was like next to me. I know what
I see.
Can't tell how much she was in front of me, but she was right next to me. And
who else is in the car?
my wife, she witnessed it.
That's your wife? Okay.
Yeah, see? She just turned and slammed me in here and used damage here. Like she just slammed me like trying to go around me. What is she doing? Like my car, like people want to lift my car up. But she actually turned, from the middle lane into the turning lane. There's no way she could have made that turn. I am already there.
So it looks like minor damage to me.
Well, this right here is my paint. My car
Is that new or old? The dark car paint?
This is what she does. See how this right here? She just scrape off the whole out paint. See, my car still clean. Look, my whole car.
This here looks like the damage from her.
No. There's
but is
both.
this also is what
yes.
you're saying?
See, on your seats right there. Look at this.
All of that. Okay.
Look at this. See? The wipe this off on there. She come around my car like she hit me here. You see, wipe this off. Look at this. See? He come around to here, and she did all
I
this.
see what you're saying. Could I have your license and insurance, please?
Yeah, definitely. One of them is new, one is renewed. I don't know which one is renewed or one is new. Let me see which one is new. They're both my insurance
I'm
license.
looking for expiration dates.
Okay.
This is the one I'm looking for. That looks to be current.
So
see, progressive universal.
she don't understand that you cannot, when you turn in, you got to be in the turning lane to turn. You can't turn from the middle lane going straight. I don't know what she was doing in the car while she didn't pay attention, but I'm alert. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do all that stuff there, so I know exactly what I'm doing. You know, I'm alert. I'm not trying to be high or anything. Maybe she is high. I don't know if she's high or not.
I couldn't tell you.
But no, but I'm just saying she get crazy and start going hysterical and tell her to drive, go, and I run along the street. I tell her I'm taking a picture of your place. Then she tried to go again this way. Then she turned around and came back. I run behind her again back over here. Then I brought her back. I said, you got to come back. I got a place. I call the police now. Then she come back. She tried to turn and went to where I can't come all the way around back. Then she went that way. I'm chasing behind her.
Here, take this.
I tried to take a picture of her plates. Then she come back around.
So you're telling me when the crash happened, and the whole thing, the cameras were running at the time.
She
so
tried to yell
I'll
at me.
definitely
Yeah,
check.
she tried to yell at me. Then
she got out of her car and then she left?
Yeah, she tried to leave. Then she come back around because I yell at her and follow into a trace behind her. You can see the cameras because she tried to leave. Okay. And I bring her back. Then you will see she came and went this way and I'm yelling at her. Then she came back this way. I turned and come back because I told her I got a place. I called the police. And she's screaming through her car window and telling me all kind of stuff. I told her, no, I'm not going to. I'll call the police. You're wrong. Because I know she's wrong. She was not in no turning lane. I'm in the turning lane. You know, because I'm going to Dempster, Pass Ridge, my sister-in-law, her sister live right there. So why would I be in the middle lane trying to turn? I come and I get in the correct lane to turn.
Okay.
But see, this is like mashed up my paint right there. Smash the car.
Yeah.
You see this smashed my bumper right there.
Yeah.
My car don't have no smash. I've been having this car for 8 years.
It looks like a very nice car.
Brand new, never get no accident. I take care of my car. I try to drive careful. This is smash my fenders.
I see what you mean. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make sure everyone's information is exchanged appropriately. Okay. What's a good phone number for you? 2?
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Alright. Do you know your wife's name and date of birth?
My wife?
Yeah.
Yeah. She is.
Actually, I'll just talk to her if that's okay. I appreciate. I gotta hold on to these. I gotta run some information.
Yeah,
and I'll be. Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
No injuries?
No injuries.
Okay. So you know I have my camera recording.
Oh, okay.
Can you tell me what happened?
Oh, we were driving and then we were about to turn, and suddenly when I felt like another vehicle was on us.
Okay.
And she when she conscious she was on us, then she reversed backwards. Yeah, I felt like the scraping on the vehicle. Yeah, and then when I looked that way, I saw her, and then she reversed back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could I have your name, please?
Oh, Florence.
How do you spell your last name?
P. I don't want to pass.
Oh, pardon me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to block you in.
I just wanted to go to the stores.
Do you have a middle initial? And what's your date of birth? What's the year? Okay. And what's a good phone number for you? Okay. Was everyone wearing seatbelts when the crash happened?
Oh yeah, we were wearing seatbelts. I just took mine off because I went to see what the scrape is.
Okay.
We always put our seatbelts on, even with the kids, so we have kids as well.
Okay. Were you ready to make a right turn when this happens? Were you preparing to turn right? Or
Yeah,
go
because we
straight?
were turning into this lane right here. So I don't drive, so you know I just sit.
That's okay.
Yeah, I just
I
sit
appreciate it.
and-
I had to run everyone's license
Yeah.
and check
Okay.
everything out. Okay, but appreciate it. Hi, I didn't hear what you said.
What is going on?
Oh, I'm running everyone's license information. Just because there was a crash, we have to check in and make sure that everyone's information is processed. Okay, I do have another officer coming
No,
over
I'm gonna
here.
have somebody else call it. Because can I get my license back?
Okay, I have it in my car. Okay, I just got to get everything sorted out.
He's in a
Okay.
bike lane, and he almost
I
hit me.
understand.
Okay, so he hit me, and you need to. There is a camera right there. I don't understand.
I did check on the camera, so
And
my
then what
dispatch is
happened?
working on that. I know sometimes the cameras, they don't catch exactly what we want them to catch.
What we want
Okay.
them to catch, it's a camera. It was there before you got here.
I know, it was. So it's
go
super
by the
frustrating
camera.
that the camera didn't catch the accident, but I did call my dispatch and ask,
Okay,
and they said,
can I leave?
well, you have to stay here right now. Can I ask you some questions about your license?
What about it?
When's the last time that you had your license renewed?
It's on there.
Is your license valid to drive?
It should be, yeah.
It is? Okay. There are just some things I had to check out, okay? Part of the crash process is making sure that you and he is good to drive, right? So if I find information like he's not good to
Is he?
drive, then I have to take
Okay.
care of that.
That's fine.
So,
If he's not good to drive, then he shouldn't be driving.
right, so that's what I'm trying to determine.
Okay, but I'm just telling you, I want to know why it's taking longer than it should.
How long do you think it should take?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. I wish my crashes took 5 minutes. That would be good. Right, if
not
I
a
could just get
crash.
it done with.
He,
Well, yeah,
me.
2 cars hit each
did
other.
you see cyclists here? Did you see people walk
Yes,
pedestrians?
I did see the bicyclists in
Because
the bike
everybody right
lane.
now would have been injured.
Yeah.
you
So
witnessed what
when the
happened.
crash happened, I don't know that there were bicyclists in the bike lane.
There shouldn't. There's a line that says
102.
turn right when, not turn right when pedestrians are present. That's what that means. It means cars like this, big and red, you know what I mean? They're very, very right there. Is he drinking? Is he smoking? What's
I didn't see that he was drinking or smoking. It doesn't seem like it.
well?
No.
Does he work right here?
Does he work here?
Yeah. Where did he come out of? Where
Hey,
was
just
he?
before you turn the car on, let's
No,
just
the
let
car
me.
is not.
Okay, just let me make sure that I get everything sorted, okay, and then we'll figure this out. Is everything going okay with you
No,
today?
it's not going okay today because this car was supposed to be sold. I didn't know where this guy came out of.
Okay. Are there any issues that we can help with? Could we get a mental health team out here like Trilogy? Could that be useful for you?
Why would they come out here?
I'm just
Are
asking
they
the
here for
question.
you? Yeah. Because you're not
Okay.
listening.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know you feel like I'm not listening to you.
You're not listening to me is because I'm trying to do the right thing and you keep trying to complex it.
I
There's a
appreciate
camera.
that you're trying to do
he
the right
came out of
thing.
nowhere. The first thing you should have done is camera check, and then it would have tried to, it would have.
I know.
Okay. So don't get nervous. Okay, just try
okay.
to go and communicate with these officers, please. Thank you.
Sure. Do you mind stepping outside so you can talk to him as well?
I don't want to talk to him.
You asked for him to come here, so now another police
I
officer.
do wanna talk to him.
The police. Yeah, you want to talk to him?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can I stay in my car? Can I stay in my car while you guys do a camera check? I was trying to make a right here, and he just out of nowhere, right there.
So, hey, Lena, part of the problem is that
Yeah,
you're
he
suspended.
came out of nowhere.
You're suspended.
Do not
now. You
touch
can't
me,
drive, okay?
officer.
Put
Do
your
not
hands
touch
behind
me.
your back right now.
Our cameras are recording.
Okay, that's fine. Can I just go back in my car?
No, at this point you can't, okay?
Can I please just go back in my car?
No.
Why are you such a devil?
You have to put your hands
No,
behind your
this
back,
has nothing to do
Okay,
with him and
let
your
me
driving
go.
record.
That's fine. I'll go in my car. I won't drive.
No. That's not an option.
Sir, officer, let me go.
I have to put you under
I
arrest
wanna get
because you were
arrested.
driving, okay?
Yeah, I know. I
I don't want to
understand.
get arrested.
I understand.
So,
Let me
here's
go.
what we can do. We
Okay,
can
let
put
me
you
go.
in the back.
Let my
Just-
hand
just
go.
Stop right here. We can, let me talk to you, okay? Because if you start resisting
Okay.
with me, I'm going to have to
Let
put
me
you in
go. I don't want to
Do
get
you
arrested.
understand what's going on right now?
Yeah, just let me go, and then I will.
We can't let you go
Why?
because your driving record, you're suspended.
For what?
You have a suspended license, okay?
That I don't know.
You
I
can't
can't
be driving.
Look at this.
Yeah, we
There's
see it.
nothing there.
Well, there's something there. Yeah.
There's nothing. He came out of nowhere.
Around here too. I gotta get this
174. Do we have a female officer for a search?
Okay, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I feel very claustrophobic,
I
sir.
understand.
You're.
I need
This
to-
is hazing. Do not touch me.
No.
Nico.
Okay.
It is.
For female officer.
And where's the female officer? There should be a female officer.
I just called to see if a female
Okay,
officer.
let me go.
So we
Let
can
my
transport her,
hand
and then they
go.
can search her in the station.
You're not going to transport me anywhere.
Best case scenario, we don't have nobody to.
Yeah,
help us
that's
on
No,
that.
I would want a female officer here.
I understand. We'll work on that. We'll see what we can do here.
Okay, let me go.
Right now, I do need to put you in handcuffs. and
No,
put you in
you're
my
not going to
car,
put me in
okay?
handcuffs.
I'm not going to try to fight with you, okay? But
Let my hand
we need to
go.
put you in handcuffs because you're under arrest for driving
For
on
what?
a suspended license.
I
okay?
didn't know it was suspended.
All right,
So,
come on.
and there's
Let
no
go.
insurance for the car, which means we have to impound it.
Let
okay?
go of my car.
Can you give him
Give me
your
your car
keys?
keys. Here, give me your car keys. It's gonna be okay. All right.
Can I make a phone call?
We'll get you a phone call.
Yeah, we'll work on that. Okay.
Oh my.
I know.
I'm gonna unclip your purse here.
For what?
You can't have it on your person. I'm gonna flip it back.
Why are you arresting me?
My partner
You're driving on a
already told you.
suspended license.
No, I need another. No, I need another female officer here.
I'm gonna put your keys in here, okay? And then I'm gonna zip it up.
Do you have a cuff key that I can borrow?
There's a suspended license. I didn't know it was suspended.
Okay. Okay. You can work all that out.
Stop touching me,
I
dude.
got
Stop.
all on you just while
Okay,
we
let
get
my
you in the
hand
car.
go.
Okay, can you walk with me? My
Come on,
car
let's
is
walk this
around
way.
the other side.
Car, we got some air conditioning. We got.
No, I don't want air conditioning. I want a female officer here.
We don't have any on the street.
When
We're
we-
gonna
when we-
transport you to the station, and you'll be able to talk
Exactly.
to one of our desk officers,
Let's just.
okay?
I gotta
Let
do a quick
my
pat
hand
down for
go.
you. Okay?
You're not gonna get a famous fucking 15-minute
That's
on
not-
this.
that's not
It's
what's
fine.
happening,
Let me
okay?
go.
I'm gonna put you in front of the camera, so the camera captures everything
Let
that's
my
happening.
hand go. This
Okay.
is. I don't
We
like.
gotta
the
hold
touch-
you, okay? It's just policy. That's all.
Fine.
That's fine. We're not trying to hurt you. We're not trying to.
Then let my hand go.
It's policy. We have.
Okay.
You're in
What
our
can I say in the car?
Yes. Do a protective pat down.
No, I need a female officer to do that. I don't want him to do
We don't
that.
have
not a
any
search.
female officers available.
He's not searching you. He's just doing a protective pat down for weapons.
I don't
That's-
have any weapons on
We
me.
believe you.
I believe you.
But
I
we have
just
to
have-
do our job, okay? It's our policy.
Oh my god, let me go.
No, I can't let you.
Just turn towards this officer. Okay.
Don't touch.
I know.
There's nothing on me.
Okay.
I know. I have to make
we,
sure.
we believe you. We just gotta double
Okay.
check. We just gotta verify, right?
Don't have.
Okay. All right. Come on. Let's go on my side.
You're going to hell.
Okay. 174.
I don't want you to
174.
move it out of the way.
Could you mark 1 in custody and send 551? We're in the southeast parking lot at the Zaymart International Market, Dempster and Dodge.